Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You'll begin by confirming prerequisites: signed in Google account and Gemini open. First actionable step: join the conversation or meeting where you want to share. Once in, click the screen share button and pick what to present: entire screen, a specific window, or a browser tab. Choose the option that minimizes privacy exposure. Make sure to close sensitive windows beforehand. After selection, click Share to start broadcasting. You'll see a small preview confirming viewers can see your screen. Once sharing begins, control matters. You can switch between sharing full screen and a single app window to restrict visibility. Use the window selector to swap without stopping the session. If audio matters, mute system sounds or pick a browser tab that shares audio explicitly so viewers hear what you intend. Make use of the pause feature when you need to navigate private material, and then resume. If you need to end, click Stop Share. These steps prevent accidental exposure and keep focus on the presentation. To finish, click Stop Share and confirm your preview disappears so viewers no longer see your screen. If performance problems appear, stuttering, lag, or black screen, check network speed, close heavy apps, and restart the browser. If sharing fails at the start, make sure your browser or operating system granted screen capture permission to Gemini. Re-granting fixes most access issues. As a quick tip, try a different window or browser restart. That often clears permission or GPU conflicts and restores normal sharing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.